So these are the 4 reps directions, which are the following 4 slides. So you have to do slide 14. It's a part of your project. To do that, you're going to follow the same directions that we did in our 4 reps posters. You're going to choose one item from your shopping list and write a sentence about the amount and costs. You're going to write that at the top of the page. Using the sentence, you're going to complete the table, equation, graph, and write it in words. It's important that you remember that you need to actually number the graph yourself. For the 3 slides that follow, if you have any missing assignments for math class that you would like to make up, you can make up to 3 assignments. So you would just follow the same steps as shown above to complete up to 3 additional 4 reps representations. So again, if you have any missing work that you want to make up and earn points back for, instead of completing that edge elastic or completing the missing notes, you can complete up to 3 extra 4 reps for this project to make up for those missing assignments. So for each additional 4 rep slide that you complete, you'll earn back points for that missing assignment. If you don't have any missing work that you want to make up, or you just don't have any missing work for math, you're going to complete slide 14 and then skip to slide 18. If you do not have missing work for math, you do not need to do slides 15 to 17. So again, if you do not have any math missing work, you're going to complete slide 14 and then skip all the way to slide 18.